How to fix iOS 18.1 update failed error. Hey everyone, is your iOS 18.1 update stuck or failing to install? Don't worry, this video will guide you through simple steps to resolve the issue and get your update running smoothly. Let's get started. First, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Restart your Wi-Fi router if needed. Go to Settings, tap on General, then go to the iPhone storage. In there, delete unnecessary apps, photos, or files to free up space for the update. Tap on General, select the Reset or Transfer iPhone, and reset network settings. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and try the update again. Go back to Settings, tap on the General, go to iPhone storage. Find the iOS update, tap it, re-download the update from Settings, go to General, head to the Software Update. Ensure low power mode is off. Ensure your device is fully charged. Plug your iPhone into a charger to avoid interruptions during the update. At last, press and hold the power button until the slider appears. Slide to power off, then turn your phone back on. That's it. Follow these steps and you should be able to fix the iOS 18.1 update error. If this helped, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next one.